Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So I'm super excited because I actually wasn't expecting to do this video. So I have another 7-foot flocked Christmas tree to put up today and I'm so excited. It's exactly the same as the one that we've got downstairs. My parents have recently downsized, so they're getting a different tree for their house and I'm taking the big one off of their hands and we have the same tree. So I can't wait to put it up. I'm gonna put it in my dressing room and stick to the traditional Christmas red and gold colours because I think that would look really nice in that room because it's so white at the moment. So red, white, gold, it's just gonna look beautiful and I can't wait to get started. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. I would love for you to stick around and also leave today's video a thumbs up because it really helps the algorithm. Grab a coffee, get a blanket, get nice and cozy, and let's just jump into today's video. Okay, so this is the room in question and I just thought I would show you it exactly how it is because yeah, I am no good at keeping this room tidy for more than like a day. Literally, it's so bad. So I'm gonna quickly whiz around, tidy it up, and the tree is gonna be going in this corner here. So that mirror can go in the garage for now, and yeah, dressing gowns and that can just go on the back of the bathroom door. But I just thought how cute it would be like in that section. So this might need to be moved down a little bit, but yeah, we'll see. I did want it originally in front of the window, but I think that's going to be blocking the mirror a little bit too much. So yeah, we'll have a play around. But to start with, I do need to have a quick whiz round and just get it nice and tidy.
Lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere.
That is so much better. Everything is nice and put away. So I'm not going to bother hoovering until after because everyone knows how much a mess a flock tree makes. But I think it's going to fit perfectly in that corner and it's just going to bring the pop of Christmas that I think this room needs.
Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be?
This is such a stunning tree, but I didn't realise how big it would be in this space. And I don't know why, because like I said, I've got the exact same one downstairs, but I still absolutely love it. Like, I think it's absolutely perfect. I don't know whether to move it over in front of the mirror or just move this maybe there and have that tree more here. I don't know. I definitely need to play around with it a little bit more. Yeah, absolutely love it. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and just laid everything out that I think I'm going to be using on the tree. So these bits, I've got a few decor bits and I definitely need to check the garage because I know that I've got a few more red things because I did originally have 4 of these and now I've only got 2. So they're going to be in the garage somewhere, so I might have a rummage, but I'm just going to start with what I've got. And Rob picked me up these ribbons the other day, and I think they are absolutely perfect for what I'm going for. I just said that I wanted the traditional colours, and he got these, and look how pretty that gold is. I love it. So I'm going to start with the ribbon. I'm not sure whether I'm going to have it coming down like the one downstairs, or if I should just wrap it. I'm not really sure, so this one is definitely going to be trial and error, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what a traditional red and gold Christmas tree is going to end up looking like. I've already found a problem, so I've actually never used this type of ribbon before. I thought it would just be the normal wired stuff, but this is like really foily, I don't know. so I don't think wrapping it is really gonna work. So I think I am gonna cut it up into sections and sort of shove it in, I guess, and just see what that looks like. Okay, so I've decided to do the ribbon on this tree different to how I normally do it, and I've never done it, but because of the texture of it, it just keeps falling out. So my trick is to just kind of twist the end, cut longer pieces like than I normally would, twist both ends like that, and then it kind of looked like a sweet, to be fair. And then when you put it in the tree, wrap the twisted bit like around one of the branches, and it will just keep it in and it will keep it kind of ballooned out, if that makes sense. But I'll show you with the next one. You take your twisted end just like that, grab the branch that you want to wrap it around, and then literally wrap just like that. And then like at the end, you won't see all the wrapped bits because all of the other ornaments will be on. And then do the same thing with the other end, however you want it to go. Sort of tuck it right in to one of like the back branches. So you couldn't really see what I was doing, but I've literally just wrapped it around one of the back branches, and it just keeps it in place without it falling down. I love what this is looking like, and yeah, I don't know why I've not used red before. I think I might in the next few years, like going forward, might start using red because it's such a vibe. I don't know if it's just because the room is so white and it's just, you know, red and white, it's just popping, but I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly put the gold in and just fill any gaps. I wish I did have a bit more red just to put in, but I always wish I had more than I've actually got. So I'm going to go ahead and put the gold ribbon in. And yeah, you might have noticed as well that I'm not doing lights on this tree, and that's just because whenever it's dark in the evening, I'm not going to be up in this room, so there's really no point putting lights on it. I'll just like admire the tree during the day in all its glory. I love this. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, pop the gold on, and then a few of the red baubles. I know that I do have some more baubles to go on as well, so once we've popped this in, we'll go to the garage and see what I can dig out. But yeah, loving it so far.
Walking down Main Street tonight, got a lot on my mind since you walked out and said, Merry Christmas, babe, give me some time. Holidays are coming and there's no way around, better join in the holiday crowd.
I knew I had more stuff in the garage, so I just had a rummage. I've got a winter spice candle, which I can't wait to burn, but I found the other two big baubles, so I can sort of have more than just the random two. I'm actually so out of breath from just running up the stairs, but I've got a cute little red and gold present, red and gold Christmas tree, which I thought would look really nice on one of the shelves. I got some more of these like bell ornaments for the tree. And then not all of these are going to be like matching the theme. I might use these just because they're so cute. I'm not going to use the house, but to be fair, I think that one can go maybe downstairs. I don't know, I'll keep it out because it is quite nice. But I do have some of the random gold ones which I think would look really nice. So I've got my shoe, I got a horse which is absolutely stunning, I got the Eiffel Tower, which I don't know if that's going to go on there or not, but these two definitely are because they're the perfect gold. I'm not going to be using pinks or anything like that because I really want to stick to the traditional colours. But I mean, look how pretty that one is. That one can definitely go on. So, as well as these greens, I think could look quite nice. Or is that blue? I don't know if that's actually a bit too blue. Ah, here we go. I knew I had greens. So the green and gold all look stunning as well. So yeah, I've got a few different things to add to the tree, and I'm actually really loving the traditional colours. I think I might have to do this throughout the whole house next year.
I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. Merry Christmas, babe. Hope you're alright. When you're not here to walk with me, it all seems like a waste. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. 6:15 and you're still on my mind, while an old man sings "Oh Holy Night." Yeah, the streets might be full, but I'm empty inside. Merry Christmas, baby, wish you were mine. When you're not here to walk with me, which makes it all seem great. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. I don't need anything, guess I got everything. I should be doing just fine, but there is still something. It is that one thing still missing you. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. Yeah, I need it in this part of town.
I am absolutely obsessed with how this whole room turned out. I didn't realise how much I would actually like red Christmas decorations, but I just love it. And I love when I'm here and I can see like the reflection of the tree in the mirror. It's just so pretty. I've just added the Noel to the windowsill and just sort of bits and pieces here and there with some tea lights just to make it feel really cozy and festive. But yeah, this tree is so precious. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I definitely think I'm going to be using red like throughout my whole house within the next few years because I am obsessed with how this looks.
Little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. Do go ahead and subscribe and leave it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys back here in my next one.